That is a super cheesy burrito right there.
I'm gonna swaddle you like a little fat turd. That's a double burrito. That's a double burrito. Hey, we're supposed to be peeing on these things, not playing with them.
He's making sure it's a clean one.
Mm-hmm. I got you swaddled. Now what are you gonna do? Now what are you
Oh, you're gonna sick 'em on me, huh?
Now I'm gonna get you. Doro! 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 Oh! Oh! Is he gonna get it? Is he gonna get it? Is he gonna get it? You're looking at me like you're gonna take a hunk out of my leg. That is. I got you now. I got you now. I got you now. What are you gonna do about it? Gee.